So on a regular basis, in your practice, my practice, all of our practices, we're gonna be approached by practice members that maybe have multi-level marketing businesses or sell supplements, Herbalife, any standard process, all these different things, right? And man, if you sold everyone's stuff, you would never even have any room for chiropractic in your practice. So we have a very specific answer and strategy as to how to address those issues when they come up. Because they're supporting your business and you want to support theirs. And it's not that there's a problem with their product, it may just not be your sole purpose. And you need to make sure you stay focused on your sole purpose so that you can continually achieve the things that God intended for your life. And so here's the deal. My response is always this. Well, see, in this practice, we actually don't sell any products, just services. And I'm not even sure in the state of Colorado if I have the proper tax ID number to even do so. But the reason being is that we stay focused on chiropractic. That's what we're experts in, as you're an expert in your blah, blah, blah. You know everything about that product. It'd be very difficult for me to sell. But what we do on a regular basis, we host these wonderful events. And these events, from our Cowboy Carnival to our Spring Fling to our Ladies Night Out to our Father's Day Luncheon, all of these wonderful events that we do, we invite you and we encourage you to come over, set up a booth completely for free, promote your products and all the things that you are so passionate and joyful about to any one of our practice members, and see how we can also help advance your presence and raise the awareness of what you do and how you can help so many lives too. That response will help diffuse that situation, show that you do want to support them, but keep you focused, keep your message clear, confident, and definitely inspired.